Hey, good morning. I've nearly finished building my winter crew for my T-34. It's a Miniart winter crew. They're really nice and detailed little figures. I love the guns. They're a 2-piece gun or a 3-piece, depending on if you want to put scopes on it. But you can see how the bolts come out and all that kind of stuff. It's a very nice gun. I'm going to take the guns off my older Miniart figures and put these newer guns on them because I've got a lot of spare ones. But yeah, the new Miniart rifles and stuff that they're releasing for the Soviet figures are really good. You will need to see, I've started to fill up the gaps. I haven't done him, but I'm filling up the gaps with plastic offcuts and acetone to melt it in. But I think this is how they'll be going, like that. And you see, I think that's a woman, so she'll be sitting there. And then we'll have, like, this is like this Asian looking dude with a machine gun. And this guy sitting here, and then there's another guy, I reckon he'll have another MG, light MG. And he'll sit at the back too, I reckon. They're not as nice as resin figures. Plastic figures are good, but resin figures are the bomb. That's a resin figure. So this is my armour for 20th Panzer. So this is a part of the recon battalion. And that's more of 20th Panzer. So that's a part of a light battalion, Panzer II. She's just been repainted, so this is going to be a recondition. I've put all new decals on it. Those are 216, they're Tamiya decals. So I've actually got them to work pretty good over all that. The WH, the Wehrmacht, and the crosses, the German crosses, they're leftovers from that kit. So they're ICMs. So they've given them similar crosses. So they're both, you know, from 20th Panzer, 1941, Army Group Centre. And this is the winter counterattack near Moscow. 1941 and 1942. When did they do that counterattack? It was in late 41 or early 42, where they pushed the Germans back from Moscow. It's a nice tank, isn't it? By Dragon. I've got one more Dragon kit over here. I'm really tempted to build it. What do you reckon? The Flam Panzer wagon. I'm really keen to build it. I might start putting it together soon, because I haven't been that well lately. I've had some back problems and issues because it's been really cold here, and it's really and I hurt my shoulder, so I haven't really been able to sit down. I only can stand up and lie down flat at times. So I haven't been able to do much modelling, but I wouldn't mind getting started, because it's the weekend today, get started on this. And what else have we got here? Oh, this looks fun, doesn't it? I reckon this would be a good little fun, something easy to do. The US soldier pushing a motorcycle. You know, we could start something more difficult, like a Miniart Panzer, or we could do the truck, or we could do a rifle model. And we got heaps of other Miniart kits around. But I reckon we'll do these ones. Alright, well, I'll make a cup of coffee and I'll open up and have a look. Do you want to have a look? If you do, just let me know and we'll have a look at those kits. Alright, speak to you again soon. It's good to see you, my friends.